everyone, it's Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Planning for the cost of long-term care is something nearly every family should think about. In this video, I will talk about how and why you might consider starting now. Here is the quote of the week. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone else planted a tree a long time ago. Thinking about the need and the costs of long-term care is enough to make anyone uncomfortable. But while it's a difficult subject to talk about, it's also a topic that often generates a lot of questions and misunderstanding. Consider this: the average cost of a semi-private room in a nursing home now exceeds $85,000 per year, with wide-ranging variations from state to state. For the most part, those who need long-term care are left to foot the bill on their own. Neither Medicare supplemental coverage, nor standard health insurance policies cover long-term care. That's why long-term care insurance may be so important. Since premium costs are based on your age and health at the time of purchase, the younger and healthier you are when you purchase the policy, the lower the premium you may pay during the life of the plan. As you evaluate long-term care insurance, consider the following. Coverage parameters. Policies will differ in the types of services they support, making the choice of a policy that best meets your needs so important. Benefits payout. How much does the policy pay per day for care in a setting? How does the policy pay out? Does the policy have a maximum lifetime limit? Are there adjustments for inflation? Eligibility. Does a policy use certain triggers to determine benefits eligibility, such as the formal diagnosis of an illness or disability? What is the maximum issue age for the policy? Women may need more. Longer lifespans for women may signal the need for additional coverage. Finally, keep in mind that most long-term care policies sold today are federally tax qualified, which means premiums paid and out-of-pocket expenses are typically deductible. Also, long-term care benefits received are in general not taxed as income up to a certain limit. Consider meeting with a financial expert to discuss your situation. I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I would love to talk with you about your financial goals. Until next time, thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.